Yo, what's up? Welcome back to the Go Broke channel. Now, YouTube is a pretty saturated place, so I'm gonna save you some time and show you my top 5 channels for motorcycling. Number 5, ForTheBold. So if you like seeing things from start to finish, then this channel is definitely for you. This guy really shows you every step of his process, and I mean step by step, all the way from picking up the bike through the design and the actual build. Now this channel is great because for someone like me who doesn't really understand the difference between a screwdriver and a spanner, I get to learn the process in detail and in digestible episodes. The dude behind it is a graphic designer, so I really appreciate his attention to design, aesthetics and detail, lines, all of those things that come into a really strong final motorcycle build.
Cut this off here, lift up the bike. Your ride height is going to be a bit further down, so with shorter forks and a slightly higher back, it's hopefully going to level off the bike so it doesn't look as much of an easy rider as it does.
Number 4, Stewart. Now this guy is by far one of my biggest inspirations for the channel. His production value is so high, I have no idea how he finds the time to do everything that he does. This guy's work ethic is undescribable, and it really shows through his videos, the products he makes, the businesses that he builds, and it's just so inspiring to see that kind of work ethic come out of this guy. And whilst you are here, check out his company, 38 Ride Company.
Oh shit balls!
Number 3, Mint Customs, or the Parry Brothers. Now this one's a bit surprising because this spot was to be taken by someone else, but I've only found these guys 2 days ago, and it blew my mind how polished off this YouTube channel really is. Now this channel is cool for a number of reasons. Number 1 is they make all the videos themselves, and that really excites me as a fellow creator because it really shows what can be done with a bit of pre-planning. Number 2 is that the bikes they work on are just bikes that excite me personally. Harleys, cafe racers, bobbers, all that cool shit that I get excited about. And number 3 is the humor that actually pops through in their storytelling. The guys at the garage just have a really awesome chemistry between them, and it really comes through in their videos.
Went out the other night and did some right twisty roads, and I was off the edge of the tyre, and it stayed there. The odd bump weren't too good, but I think it's fair to say this Harley Davidson is rather special.
Number 2 is Schaff. The simple recipe here is this: a bike, a twisty and beautiful road, and the sound of an engine. Nothing more, nothing less. It really brings back the reason why we get on the bike in the first place. Schaff has single-handedly raised the bar on the quality of POV and onboard videos to a level that I struggle to see from many other channels. This guy's passion for motorcycles is so pure and so real that it really shows through the videos that he makes. Now there are some honourable mentions that I wanted to talk about before we reveal the number 1 spot. Number 1, Dan the Fireman. He's an EMT and a motorcycle instructor who makes videos where he analyses crashes from motorcyclists and helps people realise what went wrong in order to help you become a better rider on the road. Number 2 is Unknown Industries. Have you ever seen a 400-pound motorcycle do 12 o'clock wheelies? If you haven't, then make sure to catch your jaw on the way down as it hits the floor when you're watching these guys do the crazy shit that they do on these bikes. Number 3 is the BikeShed YouTube channel. Now, BikeShed is a really cool spot in London. Their videos about the regular patrons are really cool because you get to see bikes that are as individual as the owners. So who's the number 1 spot? Well, FortNine. This channel is absolute perfection to me. Great cinematography, great knowledge of bikes, a likable presenter, and great audio. This channel really has all the ingredients of a great show, let alone a YouTube channel. Legitimately, I have no issues with comparing this to the likes of the giants like Top Gear. If you love motorcycles, you need to check out this channel. They cover anything from builds, adventures, camping, tips and tricks, maintenance, all the things two-wheel. All that coupled with great screenwriting and puns peppered all over the place make up for an amazing show that really gets laughs out loud from me. I genuinely get excited for each of their uploads because I know that the production value in those things is just off the roof.
The riding experience is discontinuous with any two-wheeler. Turns to the left tend to oversteer. Turns to the right understeer. Hard left-handers ground the sidecar into the pavement, while hard right-handers fly the chair. Experiments indicate this terrifies oncoming drivers. Hilariously, it requires no more skill than a bored third grader leaning back at their desk.
So that's it. You can find all the links to all of the channels mentioned in this video down below. And of course, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to whisper sweet nothings into the subscribe button's ear. I will see you in the next one. Peace.